In, in this video, I will tell you about the constructor. Constructor in Java is come for initialization of the instantaneous variable. Um, when we call a object or make a object, then first constructor calls. The constructor is a special method which have less which doesn't have the data type. If we give the data type to the constructor, then uh, there is make the method, and constructor has less priority than instantaneous block. When the object calls, then object gets the value and for its pointer, and the on the heap section the constructor makes made, and firstly the instantaneous variable, instantaneous block, and then constructor calls, and static variable is come before the main method. When we have to initialize anything before the main method, then there is initialization of the uh, static. The priorities for the static variables are static variable, static method, static block, static methods, instantaneous variable, instantaneous block, instantaneous on a constructor, and then instantaneous methods. Um, in a Spring Boot, there is the dependency injection. Dependency injection means we call the object in setter method, in constructor, or in field injection. There is three types of injection, like setter injection, uh, field injection, constructor injection. And constructor injection means in the Java code, when we uh, call the constructor and its parameter if have the object, then this is called the uh, constructor uh, constructor constructor injector. And setter method means when we call the set method and its parameter have the or its return type have the object, then we inject the object in setter method. And field means when we initialize a variable and its data type is class name, so we made the class name, made the variable, and its return type is object, means we inject the object in that variable, means this is called the field injection. Field injection is not useful in the private variable we are getting in another class. Then it is get by reflection API. Reflection API, it's not the best way to handle the or getting the other subject. Um, if we want to overcome this, there is the super there is the Spring Core module. Uh, in overall, firstly the Spring Core module initialize, then other modules initiate. So in Spring Boot, for every module there is required Spring Core module to module. So we can say that Spring Core module is the very important module in Spring Boot. And in a Spring Core there is the IPC and IOC. IOC means inversion of control, and container, in which we can initialize the objects in the we can overcome the dependency injection. For solving the problems of dependency injection means when we initialize the object, then it is by inheritance, and by calling the object, then the class becomes then the two class becomes tightly coupled. We should not tightly couple the objects. So for controlling for overcoming this, we what we do, we implement the Spring Core module. And because a Spring Core module has the IOC means inversion of control. Inversion of control, there is the means. Thank you guys.